let's explore a hidden victim of war, one that impacts every single one of us, our planet's health.
The damage from war goes way beyond what you see on the news. It actually hurts the Earth itself.
In every single conflict, there's a silent victim, our planet. Our environment suffers, and the climate pays the price.
Think about it. Modern war machines. They run on fossil fuels, which pump tons of greenhouse gases into the air.
Yeah, every jet, every naval ship, even explosions, they're all releasing huge amounts of carbon into our atmosphere. And then there are the forests, our planet's lungs, gone in an instant, releasing all that stored carbon.
But the damage doesn't stop with the trees. Toxic chemicals poison the land and water for generations to come.
So even when the fighting is over, these environmental wounds remain, affecting everyone's health for years.
But here's the thing. For all that destruction, there's an act of creation. We can choose to heal.
And you know what? The answer is all around us. It's simple. It's natural. It's trees.
Okay, so what does this number mean? It's the incredible healing power of just one single tree. That's how much CO2 a single mature tree absorbs every year. It literally cleans our air for us.
And that's not all they do. They cool the planet, protect our water. They're just vital for life.
And this is where we can all make a difference. Planting a tree is a simple, powerful act of hope.
Seriously, anyone can do it. Just follow these simple steps and you're helping restore a piece of our world.
But how do we take this one small act and turn it into something bigger, a global message?
Well, that's where MyTree.in comes in. It's a place that connects us all through planting trees for peace.
With this, you can tag your tree and join a digital forest. Your tree becomes part of a global movement. So, join the movement. Plant a tree. Your tree isn't just a tree, it's a symbol of peace. Because really, our future depends on how we grow, not how we fight. Let's plant a different future, together.